when we are here, we should not forget that since this is a left hand, you just put a hand like this. Don't forget this one. On the elbow is this point. This side, it becomes the second point away from your first point, and then you make it dark. You make it dark like this, make it dark like this. You make it dark like this, dark like this, dark like this. Meaning that you started on the second dots. Please don't forget, on the second dots, you'll take this line out. And then even this, when you take this line, you have to take on the other side also. You see? Now when we are here, this point, it will touch the center. Make sure that it touches the center. When it touches the center, you leave it the way it is. You just leave it the way it is. And then, it's a block, it should be empty. It's a block, should be empty. It's a block. You get my point. Even this side is a block, it's empty. It's a block, it becomes empty. It's a block, it's empty. You see it. Now, what happened? Let me just take this. You choose between this line. You choose where can you say is a center here? For me, this is a center. Once you find this center, you just join it with the corner. Now, the moment you join it, you check what is the center inside this triangle. Now, if you check, you are having a triangle, but what is the center on this line, on this side? You see, it's a center again here. When you find this center, you just join it with the center line like this. You do this, even this side, what is the center on the left? This is your center. You join it with the corner. What is the center inside the triangle? This is your center. You just join it with the center line. On this side, what happened? You still do the same thing. You still do the same thing. You join it with the center line. You still do the same thing. Now, inside, you see this line, it will only join this one. This part, you take it out. And now what happens is that you come to this lower part. You say, what is the center between this? Here is the center. You join it with this one. And then you find the center here. You say, this is the center. You join it with the center line. You see it. You join it with the center line. Now you come to this part. What is the center? Here's your center. You just join it here. And then what is the center inside this triangle? Here's the center. You join it with the... You see what happened? Now you'll find that the moment you are done doing this, you just make it dark. Make it dark. Remember, I didn't draw this according, but I know you'll see it. You'll see it, and then you'll do the right there. Now this becomes our screw thread. This becomes our screw thread. If they say, remember, this explanation is based on the left. Now, if they say a right, you just take your right hand and then you bend it like this. Where you see now, if you bend it like this, you find that here is an angle. It means now you'll see that drawing is there is nothing big in drawing. There is nothing big in drawing. If it's a right hand, external screw thread, when you bend your right like this, as long as until it makes an angle, you say this angle is the first dots is this angle. This part is this. You just join your line. Now you know that you are done. And then you join the second line with the second dot. You join this, you join this. And then what? You cancel this line, you cancel this line. This is what we want in a drawing. But first, you don't forget the center line. It's always 2 marks. It's always 2 marks. You don't forget. And then what happened? The moment you find these two, the moment you are done with this, you just do what I did. What is the center? You check where you can put the center. Now you're avoiding the use of the set square. By just checking with your own eyes, you can see this is the center, this is the center. And then you just join those lines. This is how the drawing is not difficult, but somehow, sometimes it's difficult. Now, do your own, and then you can send me what you did on this WhatsApp, or you can call, it's still fine. You can draw and then you show me, it's fine. And then we'll do the internal view. We'll do the internal view. After this one, we'll do the question paper that was done on 17 April 2024, which is the internal. Let me check what was done inside. Is the right hand internal V screw thread. We'll do it after 1 hour. I'll do it after 1 hour. I'm having another class, so it's fine.